Good morning, everybody. So today we are doing the Common Assessment. So to get to the Common Assessment, remember you're going to need to go into your class link and go ahead and sign in. And then you want to click on the Aware Testing. You're going to log in with your user ID number, just the ID number. And then your password is BHI capitalized, Bears lowercase. And then when you log in today, you will probably still see the last test that we took because there were still some people that were making corrections to that. And then you will see the test for today as well. So it's super important that you click on the right one for today. It's going to be the one that ends with 8.5 D and E. So that's the one that you want to take. Of course, if you click on the other one, you're going to realize that you've already taken it as well because you will see all of your answers already marked. But that should give you your first clue. Of course, I don't see the same thing when I log in. So even if I were to log in, it's not going to show you the right thing. But yeah, look for the one that ends with 8.5 D and E. That's the one that we're doing today. It should be 16 questions long. They have changed the way that we can do the resources, but again, I don't get to see the way it looks to you. And so I want to make sure that if you start the test and it doesn't look right, let me know right away. You're supposed to be able to pull up the periodic table from any question now. You should have a resource available to you that you can click on, kind of like the calculator that you can click on, where you can just pull it up at any time that you need it. And so let me know if that doesn't work because it's the first time I've tried to attach that and I want to make sure that I attached it correctly. So just let me know as soon as you can so I can fix that if there is a problem. After you finish the test, if you have time left over, you can finish missing assignments, work on those. And then please, as we are getting close to the end of the 9 weeks, remember, or 6 weeks, sorry, my son is on 9 weeks. Remember in the top of each classroom, there is the late work or retakes to be graded and a quiz retake request. I need to make sure that I have updated this one with all of our quizzes that we've done. If I have not, I will try to get that one done this morning so that if you want to retake a quiz or if you complete some late work or retake that you need me to put into the gradebook, please add that there so that I can make sure that I'm getting everything put in. This is a long weekend for y'all, so if you get anything done over the long weekend, make sure that you put that there so that I can get that put in over the weekend as well. So good luck on your test. Have a wonderful weekend. Get stuff done if you need to, and I will see you later today or on Wednesday. Have a good one.